Many people who want to use mSpy step back just because they're in doubt that if using this popular monitoring app is legit or not, and if the privacy is given on the data that mSpy extracts from the target phone or not. So today, in this video, we will clear all your doubts related to the legitimacy and privacy of the app. Before going any further, please subscribe to our channel for more updates related to mSpy and other spy apps and gadgets recommendations. When it comes to legitimacy, there's nothing you should worry about while working with mSpy. The legitimacy of the app can be guessed by the fact that it is approved by big government organizations and websites like stopbullying.gov, PCI, and DSS. Other than the government-run organizations, mSpy has been mentioned by the most popular website giants as well. These include SiteJabber, Trustpilot, Fandroid, Tech Times, Los Angeles Times, The Good Man Project, Newswatch, Fatherly, Forbes, Working Mother, and many more. Moreover, we have also tested the app ourselves and it works just fine. Coming to the privacy part, mSpy makes sure that neither any information about the user nor the target device is ever revealed to anyone. They give a high priority to the personal information of the buyer and the data that is extracted from the target phone. All the information that is ever collected by mSpy is encrypted using an asymmetric encryption mechanism that comply with FIPS 140 and FIPS 197 standards. This data cannot be decrypted without the end user's private key that mSpy only provides to you. Now, you must be thinking that even if mSpy does not share the data of me and my loved ones with anyone else, they still have access to our data. But according to the policies of mSpy, they store your personal data for a definite period of time only. Once that period is over, your data is deleted within 24 hours. So that's all for today. Hope you liked this video and it helped you understand why choosing mSpy is not a bad choice and using mSpy is completely safe. Don't forget to subscribe to Spy Drill before leaving for video updates in the future.